Helicopters Magazine, your source for Canadian industry news and business intelligence for more than 30 years.
UAVs and their deployment in the Canadian helicopter industry is another hot-button topic that is sure to redefine the landscape in so many areas. We asked our esteemed panel their perspectives on how UAVs could alter the industry and what their influence may be.
It's an interesting development, and it's already made some significant incursions in the northwestern U.S. I'm not really well versed with what civil regulators' attitudes or perspectives are about UAVs. Obviously, the whole business of management of airspace is going to be very involved in it, and the practicality of using the unmanned vehicles may be more applicable to the remote areas where they would be in direct conflict with crewed fleets. So I think there's a lot of water to run under this bridge yet, and I can see a heated dialogue as developments come upon us, because obviously it's pilots alone. So many of our companies, not the largest necessarily, but so many of our companies are owned or run by pilots. There's going to be an emotional issue involved in the whole thing. The concerns about possible reductions in levels of safety in specific applications. The questions are they're rampant right now, and there's a lot of information to ultimately be resolved, and I think certainly the regulators are going to have to be taking the lead in it, and I hope that we can see some refreshing thinking from them.
Yeah, UAVs are here, and the industry has got to adapt to the fact that they are here, or UAVs will eat your lunch. Clearly, they are going to be in our operating environment. I mean, they're going to be operating, certainly for the first phase, as they integrate into our Canadian airspace, they'll be operating low level, doing typically what helicopter operators do in our industry. They'll be doing pipeline and power patrol, and so there are really two issues. I believe the ability of the industry to adapt and embrace UAV technology. It's not a competitive issue. It's not anything that we've made any effort to constrain or oppose or obstruct. It's about bringing the conventional vertical lift industry on side and ensuring that they're aware of where this is going and making sure they have an opportunity to embrace the technology as well. Because it's not just going to be low-level, typically VFR operations, it will be heavy lift. And it will be IFR as well. Those discussions are underway. So there is quite an extensive working group that's already, their deliberations are already underway on this subject, and it's just an evolution of vertical lift technology that is coming, and we'd better be ready.
Yeah, it's a great technology, and really, how many pipeline patrols get delayed because the weather is 4 inches in front of you in the mountains, that you can now service a client without putting human life at risk and do the job equally well, or even better. I mean, some of these UAVs are going to be capable of being equipped with high-resolution cameras, with IR, with all the bells and whistles, and you're not going to risk human life to do what is essentially an industrial inspection process. I think that's great. I think that's an enhancement. Yes, it'll have an impact, but there's no reason that anyone sitting at this table or any other table can't be involved in that burgeoning industry. So,
when you look at what a cruise missile can do, there's probably not much limit to what a UAV is going to be able to do ultimately.
I can't imagine how a pilot can be replaced by a UAV to move a drills or to carry passengers on fire, and when you need the eyes all around your head.
Yeah.
You need judgment, and the machine don't have judgment. So
Right.
for me, it's not dangerous, but I understand for fire, for line patrol or pipeline patrol.
Some
I'm
operations.
sure that
You know, it's UAV, it'll free human capital for other high value add projects, and I mean, I think it's going to be a great opportunity in Canada. I agree with Fred. If you ignore it, you're going to get you're going to be on the wrong side of the equation. If there's an aircraft missing, launch the UAV. Go find that 406 signal. Go find the aircraft. Go locate it.
Yeah.
Oh, the aircraft's over 4 square miles. It's you don't have to deploy the HERC. You don't have to deploy any other resources. There's all kinds of innovative solutions that the UAVs are going to facilitate life in the country.